Ukraine keeps on innovating with their drone army, using land, sea and air in different attacks to strike important equipment and positions. With aerial drones consisting of the highest number and biggest variety, some are shorter range meant for tanks and armored vehicles. Some are slow with long range, meant to penetrate far into Russia. But Ukraine also has increased the number of shorter range with increased warheads, being able to heavily damage or even take out buildings, packing a heavy punch, where smaller drones made little damage on buildings, leaving this as a more effective protection. But with new larger warheads leaves less protection left that is somewhat safe. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.